What if I told you that ordinary people with just a smartphone, no coding degree, and no prior experience are making $15 to $40 every single hour directly from home, right here in Africa and worldwide? So, guys, while everyone else is complaining on the internet that AI is going to take away all our jobs, smart creators and remote workers are quietly capitalizing on the biggest boom of 2026, AI training and evaluation. All right, so companies like OpenAI, Google, Meta are spending billions to train their AI models. But guys, here is the secret. AI models don't train themselves. They need human beings to evaluate tests, test responses, verify facts, and also label data. So in this video, I'm breaking down 6 legitimate AI remote job platforms hiring ordinary people in 2026. No fluff, no gatekeeping. So guys, just raw step-by-step logic. Make sure you watch to the end because platform number 5 is currently accepting applicants globally with almost zero waiting time. So now let's start with platform number 1. So now if you enjoy writing, editing, or evaluating tests, Mindshift is actually one of the fastest growing AI training platforms right now. They hire AI tutors and writers to review chatbot responses, correct grammatical mistakes, and also make sure AI generated articles sound human and natural. So, guys, you don't need a computer science degree. If you have solid English skills, critical thinking, and great attention to detail, you can simply apply. They pay hourly via PayPal and local bank transfer, so making it accessible worldwide. So, guys, you can simply go through this site and check it out. All right, so guys, now the name of the website once again is simply called minddrift.ai, where you can simply get paid to train AI. So platform number 2 is a global powerhouse, Telos International. So guys, Telos is a massive corporate entity that handles AI data solutions for top tier companies. They regularly hire AI community evaluators, search engine evaluators, and of course localization specialists. So guys, your main job right here is to test search queries, evaluate AI voice recordings, or rate how accurate automated tools are in your local language. So guys, Telos is extremely beginner friendly because they operate directly across multiple African countries and worldwide. It's one of the safest long-term platforms to keep on your radar. So guys, now this is the second website. I'm sure you are loving this. So guys, now you can actually get access to a whole lot of opportunities right there on the Telos Digital. So guys, if you're getting value, please, I want you to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend out there. Number 3 is currently paying some of the highest hourly rates in the industry, data annotation.tech. So guys, now data annotation.tech is not new. I'm sure most of you are very much familiar with this website. So guys, now data annotation pays between $20 and $40 per hour for non-coding tasks like story writing, fast checking, AI responses, and prompt engineering. So if you know how to talk to ChatGPT and identify when an answer is wrong or hallucinated, you can get paid with USD doing this right here on the data annotation.tech. So guys, another thing I want you to take note of right there on this platform is the assessment. So guys, the assessment requires focus, but once you pass their initial qualification test, you get access to a consistent dashboard of projects paid directly to your paper. So this is simply amazing. So guys, I want you to actually do something. Please comment logic in the comment section. So guys, thanks for actually doing this. Now platform number 4. Platform number 4 is one format. So now one of the biggest issues with AI remote work is that project can sometimes start and pause. That's why smart remote workers never rely on just one site. All right, so now one format offers a huge variety of microtasks ranging from voice recording, image tagging, and text translation to complex AI model evaluations. All right, so guys, they actually accept workers from almost every country. So they also offer free certification tests to actually boost your profile and pay reliably through Pioneer and PayPal. So guys, this is the first website, oneformat.com. So you can simply go through it to actually get more information. Platform number 5 is the pioneer of remote data collection. All right, Appen. And of course, I know most of you are familiar with Appen. So guys, Appen has introduced tens of thousands of people around the world to work from home opportunities. So they actually run long-term projects like search media evaluation and LLM response rating. So LLM means a large language model. So guys, now the setup is simple right here. You simply want to do this: create a profile, complete your language background, apply for ongoing projects right here on the Appen. It's an essential platform to add to your remote work portfolio. Our sixth and final platform is simply called Prolific. So now guys, Prolific is slightly different. Instead of just training chatbots right here on the Prolific, you participate in high-paying academic and research AI testing and user feedback stories right here on the Prolific. So guys, now most university and tech teams use Prolific to actually gather real human data to build better AI software. All right, so guys, this is simply amazing. Now it is completely transparent and pays in USD, of course, GBP, so directly via PayPal, and it's also famous for having one of the fairest treatment models for remote workers online. All right, so you simply want to go through the website right here and get more information on Prolific. So now I'll be making a dedicated video for Prolific. Now I simply wish to add this. So guys, now here is the biggest mistake many people make. So guys, now here is the biggest mistake people make. Now they actually watch a video like this, get excited, open 10 tabs, bookmarks everything, and then do nothing. 6 months later, they are still searching for remote jobs. All right, now please guys, don't do that. You simply want to pick one or two platforms today, all right, and create your account, complete your profile, and take the assessment test and get started. All right, so now all official links to these platforms are waiting for you in the description box below. If you want my step-by-step systems on leveraging AI workflows to build online income, I want you to grab my guide in the pinned comment or join our Telegram community. All right, so now hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let's keep building. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you right in the next one.